Hey guys, last week was HSN Craft Day, and I didn't order a whole lot, but I did order a few things. But so far I've only gotten one. One is on extended delivery, and the other ones are all shipping together, and they are on a very long scenic route from Tennessee. And hopefully they'll show up tomorrow. Maybe they'll take an extended more vacation. I don't know. But normally my things don't come from Piney Flats, Tennessee. They come from Southern California, since I live in California. So I was surprised to see that everything, just about everything, was shipped together out of Piney Flats. So I hope the box is enjoying its trip, but I'd like it to get here. It's just weird. So, but I did get the Diamond Press Never Ending card kit in. And I'm pretty excited about that because I have made, I've gotten a kit before from Crafter's Companion, and it made a never-ending card kit. So the ability to be able to make it any style, any theme, any way I want it was the selling point here. So if you've never seen a never-ending card, they're kind of like the little things that you used to make in grade school. You know, that you went like this and they went back and forth. But you just keep flipping the card and it just keeps changing, and then it ends up back in the beginning. So these are the dies, and this is what will make the element, that the base that flips. And of course it comes with a mat folder, as they all do. And then it comes with these, comes with the alphabet, so you can make any words that you want. Little swirls, exclamation point, question mark. And then some flowers. This one is, this was actually, this is called Celebrate. So it's got party hats, confetti, and balloon. And then a frame, because the card will end up being this big, and it flips like this, and then flips like this. So this is actually the beginning of a auto ship. But I'm not sure that I will get any or, you know, of them. I might get pick and choose one here or there. But now that I've got the mechanism, I can just do everything myself. So I think, like, well, there's obviously a Christmas one, there's a Halloween one. So the regular themes, I've got little dies that I can decorate and make, you know, make the same thing. So, so as usual, you know, Diamond Press has the best instructions. And so it says that you start out with 4 4¼ by 4¼ squares in any combination you want, and they recommend an 180 GSM or less, because it does have to crease and fold and then just keep going back and forth. So you want something that's going to last, but not going to be so thick that it doesn't want to turn. So over here they've decorated 4 different panels. They've cut the panels. Says note, a 1/4 inch will be trimmed off when die cut. So they've got 4 different panels. And they cut each of the panels with the die mechanism, so that these 2 are going horizontal, and then these 2 are going vertically. And then they show you how to put the pieces together, where to glue. You need to just glue where they're telling you to, because if not, you're not going to be able to get that flip going. So they show you how to assemble it. Whoops. And then here's some card ideas. So they're showing, here, this one might be better, hip hip. And then when you flip it, it says hurrah. And then you're at this point, and then you flip it, and it says celebrate. You flip it again, and then it says today. And when you flip side and side, it comes back to the hip hip. So, and this one shows an anniversary card. And so it comes with the stamps and the dies for the single flower, the 3 flowers, the big flower, the hats, and the balloons. So I think it'll be fun. And I know that the never-ending cards that I've sold or given away, people are amazed by them. And I just put a little piece of paper with instructions in it to go, you know, and I tell them to go left and right, top and bottom, left and right, top and bottom, and then you're back to where you began, just in case it confuses people. So, all right, so that's it. Never ending card celebrate. I am planning on making one to show you, so that if you're not familiar, that you'll see how easy it is to make, and what a cute card and a different card it makes. So, all right, so that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I always appreciate if you're a subscriber. I appreciate you subscribing. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Oops, I just dropped something. So until next time, stay healthy, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.